Exercise 3.5, third sum. Solve 8 into x power 3 by 2n minus 8 into x power minus 3 by 2n equal to 63. So this we can write it as 8 into x power 3 by 2n minus 8 into, this is x power minus m means we can write it as 1 by x power m. So 1 by x power 3 by 2n minus 63 equal to 0. So let me take this term as y. So let y is equal to x power 3 by 2n. So this is 8y minus 8 by y equal to 63. So here you take a cross multiplication LCM. So y into y means y square. So here 1. So 1 into 8 means 8. So 1 into y means y. So 8y square minus 8 by y equal to 63. So you cross multiply this y here. So 8y square 63y comes to this side means minus 63y minus 8 equal to 0. Now factorization. 8 into minus 8 means minus 64. Then minus 63. So minus 64 into 1 means minus 64. Minus 64 plus 1 means minus 63. So coefficient of y square is 8. So divide by 8. So you cut this one, 8th table means 8 8s are 64. So y minus 8, 8y plus 1 equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 8 equal to that same means 8. Then 8y equal to plus 1 equal to that same means minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 by 8. So now y value is x power 3 by 2n equal to 2 cube. So 8 we can write it as 2 cube. So next powers equal means 3 by 2n we can write it as x power 1 by 2n the whole power 3. So powers equal means base also equal. So x power 1 by 2n equal to 2. Again we are rising to the power 2n means this one 2n get cancelled. So x here 2 power 2n. So 2 power 2n how we can write means 2 square is 4. So 4 power n. So next thing here y equal to minus 1 by 8. So y value is x power 3 by 2n equal to minus 1 by 8 we can write it as minus 1 by 2 the whole cube. So again here also if you take cube root on both sides, x power 1 by 2n equal to minus 1 by 2. Then x is rising to the power 2n means x is equal to minus 1 by 2 the whole power 2n. So this we can write it as 2 power n bring the denominator means so 2 square is 4. So 1 by 4 power n. So here even power means minus become plus. So 1 by 4 power n. So now we have to check whether these two things are a solution for the given equation, because here radicals are involving. So radicals means square root, cube root, that and all. So here square root involving. So if it becomes imaginary in the roots means it won't come. So we have to check this one. So 8 into x instead of x we can substitute for first 4 power n whole power 3 by 2n minus 8 into 4 power n minus 3 by 2n equal to 63. So 8 into this one for 4 power n into 3 by 2n. So n get cancelled. Here also 4 power n into, this is of the exponent formula. So law of exponents. So a power m the whole power n means a power m into n. So here n into minus 3 by 2n means n get cancelled. So equal to 63. So here 4 power 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 means root. So root 4 is 2. Then again 2 cube is 8. So here also the same thing only. So 1 by 8 will come. So this is 1 by 4 power minus 3 by 2. That is plus 3 by 2. So 1 by 4 power half the whole power 3. So 4 power half is root 4, that is 2. 2 cube is 8. So here 8 and 8 get cancelled. So here 8 8 is 64. 64 minus 1 means 63. So this one satisfies the given equation. Then we can substitute instead of x we can substitute 1 by 4 power n means here the same thing procedure you can apply here. So in 1 power anything is 1. So in denominator n into 3 by 2n means again n get cancelled. So again 4 root 4 is 2, 2 cube is 8 only. So this one get cancelled. The same thing this one. Minus go to numerator means plus 8 will come. So 1 minus 64 means minus 63, which is not equal to 63. So x is equal to 4 power n is the only solution for this book back answer.